Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to send some gifts on Steam in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course we need to open the application or software. Okay, the Steam actually. So in the store dashboard, as you can see here, so there's no such gift here, but we can do that by searching out here on the search section. So you can search the gift cards, okay, and hit the enter. Okay, at the first result you can see here the Steam okay gift card, so click that one. And after that guys, you can see here a lot of or two options. So we have here digital gift cards and also gift cards. So you can send a digital Steam card gift card, and also you can redeem a gift card. So let's say we wanted to send some digital Steam gift card. Okay, just click that one, and of course you can choose whatever you wanted. If it is 200 pesos, 400, 1000, 2000, 4000, is up to you guys. So let's say you choose the 200. Okay, so click the 200, and actually you can search a specific name of your friends on Steam that you wanted to send that gift. So after that guys, after filling this and also your friend like a message, just hit continue. Okay, so after clicking that continue guys, okay, so you can actually send your Steam gifts to your friends. Okay, so that's it guys. So I don't have any friends here on Steam, so I cannot continue with this process. And after that guys, there's a gift note here, payment and info, and review the purchase. So if it is successful guys, and you're good guys. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from this quick tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in Steam application. Thank you.